guys, we're currently at probably the biggest meet ever that's ever gonna happen. There's freaking cars all right there. We're gonna go see right now. All cars, all parked on that side and over there by that little Taco Bell. I don't know if you guys can see it, but dude, it is already chaos. I already passed by it and I'm like, dude, there's too many cars. Freaking cars ready to take off and stuff. It's gonna be a good night. We're gonna be seeing a lot of stuff. Can't wait, can't wait. All right, guys, so now we're in the parking lot of the first spot. This is the original spot. Right now we got these sick cars, we got this cars. We're just in one of the spots that was originally, and then since this part is packed, all the cars are going on that side. But let's just check out the cars that are right here. A lot of people are really lined up on the street because cars are already doing some crazy stuff. But let's go check out over here. Pretty nice spot if you ask me. You got this beautiful freaking thing going on here. I think this car is actually a 1,000 horsepower. You know what? That just reminded me. A lot of these cars, I'm not going to name. You know why? Because I got freaking roasted for saying a Pagani was, oh no, saying an Agera was a Pagani. So yeah, I'm not, you know, G-Wagon, I'm pretty sure. We got Kiro here. If you guys didn't see him in my other video that we posted, freaking got a ticket just because his license plate said this, buddy. Yeah, sure you will run, buddy, sure. I think these are like all like the sick cars are at. These are like where the VIP section is. Got this GTR right here. Pretty sure I saw Brian somewhere. Let me see. Yeah, I think this is his car right here. Yeah, there we go. There's Brian. You already know. Brian, you gotta be here. Oh, Daddy. And it's exactly who I thought it is. Josh Laurent. I'm gonna get it right this time, dude. We got Josh Laurent's crazy freaking rad Lamborghini. We got the Urus coming out right here, of course. The blue Porsche. Bro, that's a Porsche. I'm 100% that's a freaking Porsche. I've never seen that Lamborghini before. Really nice looking, I ain't gonna lie. But Josh Laurent's here. Oh, man. Dream car right here. I can't wait, dude. Can't wait. So right now we have all of the freaking exotic cars coming in right now. I'm pretty sure they were rolling together like usual, like last time. I'm telling you guys right now, if the freaking Agera RS comes in, I will for sure know this time. I'm just letting everyone know right now. Bro, look at what the... This is a zombie freaking apocalypse car. Holy crap. The armor on this looks insane. Damn. So look at here. So that's the main section. And then a lot of cars are pulling in over there too because this part is actually really packed. We got still like crazy cars coming in, dude. Oh my God. I just can't wait till everyone starts leaving. That's gonna be the part that we're all excited for. God. Why isn't this over there, dude? Oh my God. I remember seeing that car too. Look at the purple on this. It's like, what, I don't even know how to say that. It's like a two-tone color and like a certain light. That Audi is going crazy over there. Guys, it's freaking raining, so if a raindrop drops on the lens, I'm sorry. I'm walking down here and I think the cars are just gonna be standing in the, or are just parked in the middle now. I'm not quite sure. They're putting their hazards on. I don't know if they're gonna stay there or I don't know what they're doing, to be honest. But cars are, I'm pretty sure cars are gonna start parking in the middle of the freaking street, dude. I mean, bro, I think they already start parking in here on the corner. But I mean, we'll see. And I think, oh my God.
What's your fucking problem? You hit me, what the fuck?
Oh my, I literally almost just got that on camera. Oh wait, did I get that on camera? Oh my, yo, that would have been, yo, I'm telling you, bro, you see crazy stuff when you go to like freaking events like this, dude. Oh my God, that was, oh my, yo, I don't, because, okay, so I don't know if you guys seen that video of the guy who pulled the gun out. Like, that's something I rarely see. So like, I was like hella surprised. But I just saw, oh my, I almost saw this guy get freaking ran over. Holy crap, dude. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4 cops already on the street, bro. Oh, there's one more right there. Another 5 cops right next to each other, back to back, bro. Oh my God. Literally just turned off my camera for like half a second. They all turned on the lights. All of them. Oh my God, man. Oh my. Yo, the freaking water's getting up in the lens and crap. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 back there, man. I think they're blocking off the street, obviously. So, holy. Just a matter of time before they go all the way over there and start blocking that spot. But, GG's. There's 6 cops just in this corner. At least like around $5 million worth of cars just in this little section. Just in this little section I'm about to show you guys. I mean, that's not even including like all the little, I don't know, the wrap and all the aesthetics you guys would put on it. But crazy. We got this freaking monstrous of a car. Lambo, McLaren, Lambo, freaking, you name it, it's freaking here, dude. I didn't see this car actually pulling in a little Ferrari. I'm calling it Ferrari and nothing else. This is Alex Choi's car. He had to put the little thing because it's open. That's funny. Yeah, Alex Choi was supposed to be a special guest appearance. What is this? Is this nitrous? I don't even know what the hell that is, but it's freaking insane. This car actually sounds like how you wouldn't think it would sound. Got this Lamborghini leaving right now. Trying to see it take off. I wonder how freaking loud this thing is. Oh, backing up. We're gonna go on the street to see if he takes off or something. Let's go. Oh my freaking! You almost got burned. You almost got burned. A little too much, man.
Hey, at least we know it works. Water. There's still fire. There's still fire.
Still one fire, still fire.
There's still fire. Turn it off. Oh, there's still fire. Look. Over here, this side.
On this side, inside, this side.
This side over here.
Left side, left side, left side.
Still fire? Yeah, still fire.
More water? Yeah, more water, more water. There's still fire.
Yeah, plenty. I got you, I got you.
Oh my god. Oh, boot crack showing. Oh my god. Bro, it is actually so insane out here still, dude. Like, all of these cars are leaving, but there's still like something new happening. Oh my, yo, that car was on fire. Literally. I don't even know if he saw that, but that girl ran into that guy like hella hard, freaking tackle football on that. That was insane, bro. Insane. Alright guys, I'm not leaving, but I'm in my car and you can see that these cops are literally just hiding. There's one right here in that entrance. I don't know if you can see that light right there, but there's a cop right there too. Just waiting for them to get someone. Hopefully they don't get me, guys. Even though my car's nothing, but you know, wish me luck, wish me luck. But anyway guys, if you guys did enjoy, I hope you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel because we got more bangers coming out, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.